Armcandy gang, we've got a Mulberry Lily for you today. It is gorgeous. This is such a popular style of mulberry because it's just such a useful, gorgeous shape and size to have in your bag collection. This is the regular sized Millie in a sort of taupe colour. So it's got the chain strap that you can either have doubled over as a shoulder or you can have it at its full length. And it's got the mulberry cloche with the padlock, mulberry padlock inside. Iconic postman's lock fasten on the flap. And we'll open it up and it's the same beautiful colour inside. Okay, so there's one zipped pocket just there, and that's the little tag. I will pop it on so you can get an idea of the size. So I am 5'4" and a UK size 10. All these measurements are all on the website. This might just help put it in some sort of perspective. Oh dear. Okay, and then if you were to put it up and have it at the half length, that's what you're looking at. Okay, so it comes with the mulberry dust bag. And condition, we've said, I've got right on my hair. We've said that the exterior is in very good condition. There's nothing for me to point out and show you. You can just see that it's a pre-loved bag. The interior we've called good condition. Again, there's nothing particularly major for me to point out. You can just see that it's a pre-loved bag. Underneath the tag there, I don't know if I can angle the bag so that you can see it, but underneath there you can basically just see where the tag's been resting. So it's things like that, just a sign that the bag has existed. The hardware I've called worn because, can you see that the colour has kind of worn away? I don't know if you'll be able to see on this one as well. And again, the chain has worn a little. That shows signs of wear. So that's why I've called the hardware worn. This bit, the bit that you kind of see, is actually in amazing condition. That's fantastic. And again, on the inside, good condition. Okay, so if you are interested in this gorgeous lily, there is a link to it in the comments below. Before you go, remember to like the video and hit the bell. But then go and hit that link, check this out on the website. You can have a look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. They're all on there. And of course, whilst you're there, to get your discount code, you just need to sign up to the newsletter. So you scroll to the bottom of any page on our website, there's a little box, you pop your email address in there, and then we immediately send you your discount code. So, and it's immediate. If you haven't got it in 60 seconds, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. But yeah, gorgeous little lily. So like the video, hit the bell, then click the link, and we'll see you back here later for the next piece of Armcandy.